Well, hello my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another easy and budget-friendly Valentine's Day DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I've removed the tag from this piece. I am now removing the jute twine hanger because we will be using it again for this piece. And I have some masking tape, the blue masking tape that I purchased from Walmart. I am going to be creating rows, and I have a little piece here that's going to be acting as my spacer, and this will help me keep everything nice, even, and help my lines to be crisp. Now that that's out the way, as you can see, I am just pressing down, making sure that it was flat, trying not to have any bleed over, but I ended up having a little bit, not much. And I am now getting ready to apply the paint. This is the pink eraser paint that you can purchase from Walmart. It is the apple barrel paint. Off camera, I did repeat this step, and then I painted the rows in the plaster color paint by Waverly. It is a chalk paint that you can also purchase from Walmart, and you will see it in the upcoming clip where you'll see me drawing this piece. I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. I want to welcome my returning subscribers back to the channel. I pray that each and every one of you are having or had a blessed day, and I pray that your week is equally as blessed. And as you can see, I am removing that tape, and look at those lines. There was a little bleeding, but like I said, not much. And now I have this wood cut out. It is the word love that you can purchase in a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree. I spray painted it using a Rust-Oleum 2 times the whatever. I bought that at Walmart, or either it was Lowe's, and I just glued the word love down at an angle on top of this piece. Now I'm doing some touch-up painting, and while I'm doing that, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. Now I'm just trying to make sure that I cover up some of the lines that had was still showing some of the natural wood. I could have left it as is. It's not really visible to the naked eye, but I wanted to do as much as possible to get this filled in. But look at this, guys. Did this not turn out cute? I think this is a really cute but simple piece, inexpensive way to decorate your home for Valentine's. And then you see there, I embellished the word love using one of those those stickers from the Dollar Tree. And that's it, guys. I will be uploading about 2 or 3 more Valentine's Day videos to the channel. But until then, guys, be blessed and continue to have a great week. Bye.